So you're thinking about moving to Las Vegas, Nevada, and you want to buy an affordable new construction home, but you're not sure if that even exists anymore, with home prices continuing to appreciate. Well, then this video is for you. That's because we're going to discuss what new construction is happening in the popular master plan community of Kyle Pointe, and show you some homes and models so you can get a better idea of what opportunities are available in this rapidly growing development. So let's get after it right now. Hi, my name is Mark Pepe, and I absolutely love helping people discover all things Las Vegas, including Las Vegas real estate. If this is the type of content that resonates with you, make sure you subscribe here below and you tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to learn about the current market here in Las Vegas, with so much evolving almost daily. We are passionate about removing the stress of relocating to a completely new city and state. If you're thinking about making that move, whether it be 9 days or 9 months, feel free to give us a call, text, or email. All that information is in the description below. So as I mentioned, we are here at Kyle Pointe, an emerging master plan community situated in the northwest corner of Las Vegas. Developed by Pointe Homes, this community offers a unique blend of modern residential designs and the natural allure of the surrounding landscape. Its strategic location near the 95 freeway and Kyle Canyon Road provides residents with both tranquility and accessibility. The northwest part of Las Vegas is one of the fastest growing areas in the valley, as new construction is plentiful. Part of the reason for that significant growth is the available land in this area, with expanding communities like Sky Canyon and Sunstone. In addition to here at Kyle Pointe, Northwest is one of the most desirable places to live in all of southern Nevada. Kyle Pointe encompasses a few distinct neighborhoods that we're going to go visit here in a minute, each tailored to diverse lifestyle preferences. The community is designed to foster a sense of belonging with amenities and architectural designs that cater to contemporary living while honoring the area's natural beauty. The community features green spaces, neighborhood parks, and is in proximity to several close recreational areas, including Lee Canyon, that's approximately 30 minutes up Kyle Canyon Road. And Lee Canyon serves as a personal playground, offering hiking trails and winter sports activities such as skiing and snowboarding. This is the closest community in Las Vegas to Lee Canyon. It doesn't get any more convenient than right here at Kyle Pointe. Then there's Gilcrease Orchard, which is a local favorite, providing a unique agricultural experience where residents can pick up their own fruits and vegetables. And when in season, you can't miss their apple cider and apple cider donuts. They are to die for. Then there's Floyd Lamb Park, which is a sprawling park featuring lush vegetation, lakes, and wildlife, and is ideal for picnics, fishing, and leisurely walks. Lastly, there's a Gilcrease Brothers Park, which is a community park offering various recreational facilities and open spaces for families to enjoy. Kyle Pointe is also near a handful of shopping, dining, and retail centers like the Smith's Marketplace and the neighboring Sky Canyon Master Plan community just a few minutes south of here. This massive 124,000 square foot Smith's has traditional grocery items, household decor, apparel, and dine-in or take-out meals. So you won't have to travel very far for all of your daily necessities. A few communities around the Las Vegas Valley can offer the perfect balance of secluded living and modern convenience, with new homes set against a stunning backdrop that you may be able to see right over here behind me, along with world-class amenities and a convenient location, all at a surprising price point. Any guesses on that price point? Well, let's go visit the first community to see what they have to offer. Our first Tri-Pointe subdivision here at Kyle Pointe is called Arrow Peak. This gated community is an intimate collection of 52 single-story homes ranging in size from 2017 on up to 2,337 square feet in 3 different floor plans. This community is almost completely sold out. In fact, at the recording of this vlog, there's only one floor plan available, which is Plan 1, located right over here behind me. It's 2,017 square feet and offers 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. The price for this home is at $672,175 and includes a lot premium and $95,000 worth of upgrades. This home is already being built and will be completed within the next 45 days. The layout is ideal, with the primary bedroom located on one side of the house, while the secondary bedrooms are located on the other, providing additional privacy. Then the open great room and kitchen provide plenty of entertaining options. Tri Pointe is also offering a financing promotion for this particular home of a conventional 30-year fixed permanent buy down with an interest rate as low as 5.499% if you utilize their in-house lender, which is an excellent value considering where rates are currently at in the upper 6s at the recording of this vlog. Tri Pointe homes are uniquely constructed with sustainable materials and incorporate energy efficient systems. The inclusion of LiveSmart features into every home help promote energy and water conservation, healthier living environments, and enhance comfort and convenience. It's these features that help reduce monthly utility costs and minimize the environmental impact of the homes. Well, as I mentioned, Plan 1, located right over here behind me, the model, is no longer accessible. So I'll include some pictures here in this video for you to get a better idea of what this home has to offer. Next is the main new subdivision here at Pointe called Alder, a gated community also built by Tri Pointe Homes. It's an all 2-story community that will consist of a total of 188 homes upon completion, with 4 different floor plans to choose from, ranging in size from 1889 on up to 2765 square feet. And there are 3 different types of elevations to choose from. You've got modern Spanish, modern, and contemporary. And to clarify, the elevation is the exterior finish of the homes that you can see here behind me. Plan number 1 is 1889 square feet and offers 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a 2-car garage. Pricing starts at $503,000 for the base model at the recording of this video. Now keep in mind, the lot premium along with structural and design upgrades will add to the total cost of the home. But at $503,000, that's an excellent starting point for a home that's close to 2,000 square feet. That's brand new. Then you have Plan 2, which is located right over here behind me. It's 2,350 square feet and offers 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, a 2-car garage. And pricing for this home starts at $539,000. Then you got Plan 3 right over here. That's 2,640 square feet and offers 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2.5 to 3 baths, and a 2-car garage, with pricing starting at $566,000. Then there's Plan 4 right over here at the end. That is 2,765 square feet and offers 3 to 5 bedrooms, 3 to 4 baths, and a 2-car garage, with pricing starting at $577,000. And if you're counting, that's all 4 plans starting at $577,000 and below. Pricing for these plans is anticipated to continue to rise as the community builds out, so buying as early in the development as possible will enable you to have built-in equity by the time you actually close escrow and move in. These homes offer a lot of natural light with an abundance of windows, along with a chef's kitchen that has plenty of cabinet space, a center island, quartz counters, and GE stainless steel appliances. The spacious great room is adjacent to the kitchen, which is a perfect setup for entertaining. Plans 3 and 4 offer a bedroom downstairs, which is ideal for visiting friends and family or even a home office. Upstairs offers a flexible loft, a primary bedroom suite, a convenient laundry room, and multiple secondary bedrooms, while the backyard is a blank slate to design your ideal desert oasis. Pointe Homes does a really good job in building cutting-edge design homes with the latest in technology. They even provide a home smart activation technician to help you get your new home connected and all of your apps working properly. The HOA for this particular subdivision is a reasonable $81 per month, while the property tax rate is at 0.90%, which is higher than the normal 0.62% for a resale home, but that's because this is a new construction community. Well, let's go tour plan number 4, which again is right here behind me and is 2,765 square feet, to get a better feel for this new home and what it has to offer. Families residing in Kyle Pointe have access to multiple reputable educational institutions within Clark County School District. They include Bilbray and Shawbrook Elementary Schools, which serves pre-K through 5th grade. Then you have Escobedo Middle School that serves grades 6 through 8, and Centennial High School, which are grades 9 through 12. And there's also Somerset Academy Sky Canyon, which is a charter school that serves grades K through 8. These schools are recognized for their commitment to academic excellence, along with comprehensive extracurricular programs. So, attractive options are available for your child's education. Lastly, I wanted to mention that Kyle Pointe fosters a strong sense of community through thoughtfully designed shared spaces, events, and local initiatives that bring neighbors together. Residents enjoy a well-balanced lifestyle with access to recreational activities, social gatherings, and engagement opportunities. Seasonal festivals and cultural celebrations throughout the year include Halloween Trick-or-Treat Night along with the Fall Festival. Then there's the Winter Holiday Night Light Display and Charity Drive. Then there's a spring outdoor movie nights and barbecue gatherings. And lastly, there's summer pool parties and block parties. These events provide families and individuals a chance to relax, socialize, and bring meaningful connections with their neighbors that promote a close-knit environment. Well, this gives you a pretty good overview of the new construction happening here at the popular master plan community of Kyle Pointe. Did one of these plans pique your interest? If so, let me know which ones in the comments. Remember, never buy or even visit a new construction home without your own realtor representing you and your best interests. I hope you found this video beneficial, so please like and share it. Please also subscribe below and comment if you have any questions or found this video helpful. And if you haven't already, be sure to check out our other videos on the surrounding areas so you can continue to get a realistic sense of what it would feel like to live here in the Las Vegas Valley. If you feel Kyle Pointe checks most or all of your boxes when it comes to finding the right Las Vegas community to relocate to, my team and I are ready to go to work on your behalf and are extremely proactive in our approach to assist in getting your offer accepted on your ideal home. We don't leave any stones unturned. So whether you're moving in 9 days or 9 months, give us a call, shoot a text, send us an email, or even schedule a Zoom appointment here in the description below. We can't wait to help you make a smooth and a stress-free move to Kyle Pointe. So, until next time, we hope to show you around new construction communities very, very soon.